Hi, I'm Joel Vazquez. I'm a journalism major with a concentration in broadcast journalism, and I graduate in May 2022. I didn't always want to be a journalist. I actually wanted to be a veterinarian. And so I was pretty set on becoming a veterinarian. And then I got to community college and I realized I was terrible at math and science. I just took a writing class. It was Journalism 101, and that class ended up being the total opposite of what I thought it was. It was like a journalism boot camp. And then I came to Rowan. That's when I joined the Whit, and I started off as a staff writer. I wrote I think one or two pieces. I got involved with the Rowan Television Network, and I became the anchor for their newscast, RTN News. So I would make the news packages for RTN News, and then I would also submit them to the Whit, and they would post them on their YouTube channel. I was like, yeah, I think I want to be a reporter. I think this is what I want to do. What really captivated me and got me involved at Rowan was they offer so many things for students. So depending on your major, so for me, journalism, they have Rowan Radio, they have the Whit, they have the Rowan Television Network. And so when I got here, I really just wanted to get involved, meeting people. They really help you work on your craft. So my craft is broadcasting, talking in front of a camera, and they really give you a lot of opportunities to work on that. If you have someone who sees something in you, then it just makes you take a step back and you're like, okay, well, if they see something in me, maybe I should, see that in myself as well. If you really want to make a difference, and if you really want to achieve your goals, you have to be willing to go that extra mile. And I think Rowan really taught me that if I want to really become a reporter, I really want to make it in the news industry, then I have to go out there and get it.